So hey, what is up guys, this is KP and I'm back with another episode on programming stuff. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Dropbox API in C#. By the time, I want to let you know that there is a whole documentation available on the internet, so if you want to go through it, I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, so let's get started by creating a new application in Visual Studios. I'll be creating a console app. Now go to the project and manage Nugget package and search for Dropbox API and install this first package. Once done, head back to your program.cs and add a derivative Dropbox.api. Now to actually synchronize your files and folders from your Dropbox account, we will need a token, which you can get by creating an app from this link. I'll leave this link in the description. So let's move ahead and create an app. We will choose a Dropbox API and we will grant full permission to this app to let them access all files and folders. I'll name my app as this. Now go down and click on this generate button to generate a token. Copy this. Now move back to your Visual Studios and create a static string token and paste that string over here. Now the first thing we will be doing is to access some pretty basic user information like his name and his email ID. So for that we will be creating a new asynchronous task function. Then we will create a new Dropbox client from that token. So here I'm trying to access some basic user information like his full name, his email, and the country where he lives or from where the account belongs. So now we need to run this asynchronous function through our main. So let's create a new task and then wait for it. Now let's build the solution. Now let's run it. So you can see here my full name, my email, and the country where I belong, that is India. Now to actually list all the files and folders, I'll be creating a new static asynchronous task. Then I'll store all list of files and folders in the common variable list, and using for each loop, I'll displaying each of them with D as the directory and F as file with its file size. Now let's access this function from our main variable. So here you can see these are all files in my Dropbox account. D means directories and F means files, and this is actually the size of the files. It's actually in bytes, so if I might copy this and Google it, you can see it's just 905 kilobytes. Now to download a file from your Dropbox account, you need to specify a path which comes like the string folder, your folder, and then file name, and then we need to get a response from your Dropbox client, then files, then download or synchronize your folder, and then file, and then we will write it to the default directory where this application is present. So for example, I'll go to my Dropbox account and let's download this s.rtf. By default it's not belonging to any folder, so I will leave this blank and then we'll write here s.rtf. Now let's run this. So you can see my file has been downloaded. It's the same file that is present in my Dropbox account. So in any case you have any file stored in folder, like you have files stored in this public section, so you need to just specify the public, and if it's a recursive directory then you have to specify public, your the name, and then so on, and just leave it like this. Now to upload a file to your Dropbox account, you need to specify a file path which is present on your computer along with the folder in which you want to store it in your Dropbox account, and as regular the file name. So the method goes like string file, then string folder in which you want to store your file, and then actual file name. And for experimentation we will create a dummy variable called URL. And then by using a memory stream, we will read the bytes from the file and upload it to your Dropbox account, and then get a shareable URL of your file. So we will then print our URL, and it's done. So for example, let me show you. On the desktop I have a file, dummy.txt. you can see it's dummy text file. I want to upload it to my Dropbox folder into the public section. So in Visual Studios, let's add your file path, which is C is to /users /del /desktop, and the file name, and the folder I want to upload is the public. Remember to put this backslash, and then file name is dummy text file.txt. Okay, let's build it. Let's run it. So you can see a message that I have added a demo text file into my Dropbox folder. You can see it's a public section and demo text file, and here's the URL of this file. So let me test this in my browser. So you can see the file link is working properly. So this is how you can do a lot of things by accessing someone else's Dropbox token, like we just did right now. And I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of more examples available on the official Dropbox documentation guide. Again, I'll leave the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like, do subscribe my channel, and yeah, I'll upload this whole project to my GitHub account, so make sure to check that out too. That's it for today, and I see you next time.